This is 5b, factoring. So now let's factor with a equal to 1. Okay, so remember in our standard form, a is that first number. We call that the leading coefficient. So I'm going to put x squared in my table, and I'm going to put 20 in my table. Okay, so we know that x times x is going to give us x squared. We know that. Then we need factors of 20, okay, because they need to add up to 12 when I add them. Well, I'm going to try some. Don't write this. I'm going to try 5 times 4. Well, 5 times 4 is 20. That works. But then we got 5x from 5 times x and 4 times x. 5x plus 4x is 9x. That does not work. So those are not going to work. But what I can do that will work is 10 times 2. 10 times x is 10x. X times 2 is 2x. 10x plus 2x is 12x, like we want. So when we factor it, we get x plus 10 from the top and x plus 2 from the side. We can do that to help us figure it out, but we note we want factors of 20, right, which in our standard form is this last number, c, that add up to our middle term, b. So let's do it a little bit quicker. We want factors of c, which is negative 20 in this case, that add up to b, which is 1. So I can start listing factors of negative 20. Well, negative 1 times 20, that multiplies together to give us negative 20. But if we do negative 1 plus 20, we get 19. That does not work. We need it to be 1. We could do negative 2 times 10. Well, negative 2 plus 10 is 8. That didn't work either. We could do negative 4 times 5. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. Negative 4 plus 5 is 1. Oh, that worked. So here are my two factors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply x minus 4, x plus 5. Now we can check our answers using that little table that we've been using the whole time. So we got x times x is x squared. That matches. Then we've got negative 4 times x is negative 4x. And x times 5 is 5x. And negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. So those two terms match, and then we have to check our middle ones. So negative 4x plus 5x is 1x. So that matches our middle term. So we know that these are the correct factors.